Welcome to Barcode Library. Here we'll show you how to use our software to generate all kinds of 1D and 2D barcodes. Hey everyone. Here we will demonstrate how to generate, customize, print data matrix 2D barcode images using Barcode Library VB.NET Data Matrix Barcode Generator library. In the opened Visual Basic Console project in the Visual Studio 2022, I have installed Barcode Library Data Matrix 2D Barcode Generation Library NuGet package. So let's go to the program VB file. Today I'm working with data matrix barcodes, those cool 2D grids of tiny squares that you see on small electronics and medical devices. Let me show you what I've been testing. I start by creating a data matrix barcode and setting its data to a URL from barcodelibrary.com. Then I generate my first image. Just a simple default data matrix works perfectly right out of the box. Next, I want to make it bigger so it's easier to scan. I set a custom width and let the height scale automatically. Same data, much wider barcode. Then I have some fun with colors. I change the module color, those little squares, to green and keep the background white. Honestly, it looks way more polished than the default black and white version. Finally, I explore a rectangular data matrix format. Normally data matrix is square, but you can use different shapes. I switch to a format that gives me 16 rows and 48 columns, very wide and short. Then I adjust the image dimensions to match the rectangular proportions. This is perfect for narrow label spaces where a square barcode just won't fit. Now let's run the console application in Visual Studio 2022. So let's view the generated barcode images. The first generated barcode image was created as a data matrix 2D barcode with data URL using default settings for size, color, and matrix format. The second generated barcode image was created as a data matrix with the same URL data, but with a custom image width of 300 pixels while keeping the default square matrix format. The third generated barcode image was created as a data matrix with green module color, white background color, the same URL data, and the previously set width of 300 pixels. The fourth generated barcode image was created as a data matrix using a rectangular matrix format with 16 rows and 48 columns, with image dimensions set to 600 by 200 pixels to match the rectangle shape. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow Barcode Library for more barcode tutorials.